Hello everyone, welcome to part 31 of Ecom series in Laravel 5.6, and this time we will continue working on detail page of product detail page, and this time we will see product attributes. Okay, means product attributes we have done in admin panel, like we have added the attributes of every product in admin panel, like size, stock, price. See, all these are attributes. Like from here we can add the attributes. So all these attributes we need to display uh, in product detail page. So I will check that we've added some attribute or not. Then also we will add the attributes of one of the product, like this product we will add the product with product ID. So we will add the attribute for this product. See here. So I am going to add the attribute for this product. So these are the attribute, and this is the SKU. I mentioned it as -s, and this is the size of that product, and price I can mention any price. I can mention 2200 as the base price. So that is coming. I can do for 2200 as a price for small, and then GTS01M, this is for medium size, and I can increase the price for medium size. Generally it happens, so I can increase the price all in INR. You can do it in dollar. So say same stock, and suppose if there is L size, then I will do like SKU, and with large. Okay, and suppose its price is 2600, and the stock we have more stock like 15. Okay, I'm going to add all these attributes. Okay, so yeah, we have added now. See, all the attributes we have added. Small is having 10, medium is having 10 stock, and large is having 15 stock, and all three is having 2200, 2400, 2600 prices. Okay, so all these attributes we are going to display in our product detail page. Okay, so we are going to work on this thing. We will show in drop down sizes, and if the user will select based on those sizes, the price will change. Okay, we will do this in Ajax. So in part 31 we will continue working on product detail page. Working on product detail page, and this time we will do product attribute. We will add size drop down, and price will come according to the size selected by the user. Okay, so we will use Ajax as well to change the product price, and price that is based on its size. Okay, so we are going to do this thing. Okay, now I hope that everything is clear to you what we are going to do in this video. So first step we need to update our products function. This we need to do in the first step. Okay, so first update product function in productController.php file. Okay, we will see the products function, and I will going to open products attribute. Product controller, and here I will open products function. Okay, product function or product function. Need to open product function. Sorry, not product function. we need to open product function. See, update product function. We are using product function, not product function. So we will open product function here. See, product we are using for the detail page. So we will open this function, and I'm going to update this query so that I can have attributes as well. See, up till now, what we are having, I'm going to see. Uh, so I will use this as JSON decode, JSON encode, and dollar product attributes, product details. Okay, uh, and after that, I will just debug. You can also debug like this. Okay, uh, I will see what's coming in product details first. Okay, like this. Now see what is this. Now see, only product details are coming here. See, only product details are coming, but I also want its attributes. Okay, I also want product attributes here. See, now I will open product model. See, product model is already having attributes. So just we need to add this attributes relation to this query so that the attributes will also come along. Okay, so uh, add attributes relation, adds attributes relation to uh, product detail to product detail query to product to product detail query uh, so that we can get attributes as well along with product details. Okay, so I am going to add this attributes here. Very simple. I will add here. I will simply mention with attributes. Here I will use attributes like this. Okay, so I will simply use like this. Now I will see again that attributes are coming. They are not. See, now attributes are also coming. Now along with product detail, attributes are also coming. See, 0, 1, 2. So attributes are also coming. So now we can move forward, and for your reference, I am going to share this query here. Okay, we will just need to do like this. Okay, so what I am going to do now, I'm going to update detail blade file now. Okay, to show this size drop down. So update detail dot blade dot php file. Okay, now I'm going to update this file. Now update uh, product detail blade file uh, file to show sizes drop down. Okay, uh, and that we will do with foreach loop. Okay, so this thing we are going to do now. So very simple, and now see we are having this thing, attributes are coming, and we will use this thing for our drop down. Okay, so I'm going to open detail blade file. This I am going to open, and now see, now I will just do you know here I will add, I will see where to add this. Add somewhere, we will add some. Yeah, I will check. Wait a minute. First, I will just simply comment it so that I can have view of detail page view. Yeah, it is like this, and Now I'm going to add underscore. Okay, yeah, underscore like this, and this one I will see where this. I'm going to add underscore. I can search here that where it is located here. So yeah, I will do it here. Yeah, yeah. One more p tag I will add for this one, and here I will add one select drop down. I will give its name size. Okay, and style I will give later on. First I will give size and its option. First option I will add empty, and will here give select like this, and after that I will give yeah, now I will start in for each. Okay, now see we are attributes coming there in product details, so we can simply do like this. Product details is having attributes, yeah, you have like this, and here I can do like sizes. So in this I will add option value. Here I am going to add product details, uh, value, yeah, its value is value, sorry, sizes, their sizes, dollar sizes, and like this size. Okay, and the same thing I'm going to add here. Uh, sorry, like this, very simple. So we'll do like this, and now we will close our condition and for each like this, and then we will close select as well. Now we will check the options are coming or not. Side our set option. No, it is yeah. Now see, now this select option has come to small, medium, or large size. Which side do we want? We just need to select. So I will just make its formatting correct. Simply, you can add in CSS in your CSS file. To save time, I am adding here, but you can do it in CSS file. Our main concern is regarding functionality all the time. So this thing you can do of your own. Okay. Now see here. Uh, one sorry 150 I want to add. So see now it's coming fine. Yeah, small, medium, and large, and select. We need to select side. Here we will give select side is better option to give. Yeah, now we will add select side. Now this side you can select from here, and after selecting side, now this price must change, that we will do now. Okay. Okay, so up till now you have seen. Now see in video, uh, sizes are coming for the product in drop down, and now we will update price according to those sizes. Okay. Now our next thing to write Jquery with Ajax. Okay. See what do we want to do. See, small is having 2200. That is not an issue. Medium is having this price 2400 price, and the large is having 2600 price. So this thing we need to do here. Okay. So in third part, we are going to write we are going to uh, uh, write jQuery Ajax Okay, uh, and this we can do it in main.js file. Uh, in main.js. Okay, fine. So this thing we will do. Okay, we are doing this thing. See, we need to know that we want different prices when we select different sizes. So uh, we are going to write this jQuery Ajax script, the Ajax script, uh, so that we can get uh, uh, the price according to its size, price according to its size. Uh, like we have added this one, uh, like in our case, we have uh, three different sizes uh, that have separate prices. Okay, and prices. So these three are we are going to do now. Small is having see here, small is having 2200 price. Medium is having 2400 price, and large is having 2600 price. Okay, so this thing we are going to achieve with this jQuery, with this script. Okay, so we will work on this thing now. Okay, so see the common file here. We are having main.js file as the common file for our front end, so we can add it here. This file is already given to us by this design, so we can add our script here. Okay, so I will add document dot ready. First we are going to check it is working fine or not. We can do it with alert simply. I will check that whether it's working fine. Alert is coming here, then I will move forward. It not seems to be coming. So first we need to make sure that the file is added. I'm going to see it here as well, that alert is coming here or not. So it is really crucial, because if the file is not coming, then there is uh, no, it is still not coming. So I will check its current design, that where we can add. We are having these files. Main.js is also there, but we will see where to add this thing. Okay, so yeah, it is not alerting. We can move this one, then we will check again. No, it is alerting. See, there is some mistake. I think I can just simply copy this one and will add it here. Might be I have made some mistake. You guys know, must not make such kind of silly mistakes like I used to do all the time. I expect that you guys can do better than me. See, now test one is coming. I think might be I have made some mistake, so I can remove this test now. Now it is working fine, so I can continue with another step. I I'm just going to use one ID here. I'm going to use going to uh, uh, mark one ID here. I will do select site, okay, so that every time when we select site we can have its value, and along with site as well, we need product ID as well, so that we can get site from the ID. Means both ID and site we require, if otherwise we can't do anything alone with site. So we require here product ID as well, so that with product ID and site we can get its price. Okay, so I'm going to add it here. Later on we can explode, but I'm going to add the that product ID here. So I can simply use product details. See here, we are getting everything with product details, so we can also get the ID from here. Yeah, so ID. Okay, so I will do like this, and after that I can mark it with hyphen to separate both, and I can check here that whether it's coming fine or not. I'm saying just one is coming. Yeah, now I can simply check here. Uh, yeah, now it's going fine. 7 is the product ID and small is the size. 7 hyphen small, 7 hyphen medium, and 7 hyphen large. So our we are sending the right value both product ID and as well as size. So we can use we can send, we are going to send with select site. So I'm going to do it now. Here I will select, yeah, like this, select site, and then I'm going to use change. Okay, change function I'm going to use, that every time we will change uh, this uh, means change the value, then it must work at that time, it must work. Okay, so I will again check for allowed, because I am not sure, and every moment we need to check. Okay, so that everything must be fine. And it is not coming. Oh, every time I made some mistake. See, again I added it earlier. Now I will check. See, now it is coming fine. Yeah, now it is coming fine. So at the time of change we are getting, now we will get its value. I decide, because both we are getting, so we will simply do like this, because we just want the value uh, of our option. So I can simply alert this value as well, so that right value comes up to here. See, now 7 small is coming, 7 medium is coming, 7 large is coming. So everything is coming correctly here. So now we can move forward. Now I can simply move this, and we can move forward with Ajax now. Now we need to add Ajax syntax here. Okay, like this. I'm going to add here, and here I'm going to use type. Okay, like this. I will use get, and URL I will use URL where we are going to change price. So I will use get product price. Okay, and we need to get the price. So then get product price. Okay, so after that data, data we are sending here, and ID side we are sending. So we can simply use it like this. Okay. So after that, to set, we want to do like this set function. So will come like this, and here I am going to add response. Okay, and here I'm going to show error function with this, and then again going to alert error, and we are going to alert response as well. Here we are going to alert response. Okay, so I'm going to see, yeah. So this file we need to work on now. So we will create this route that we have created in this URL. So in the next step, we will create route first, then we will get back to this Jquery script again. So we will create route. So now we will create a route with URL, this one, so that we can get the product attribute price, means price for specific size. Okay, so I am going to use this route, going to create this route in web.php. Yeah, after this one we can create get product attribute price. Okay, so use get route. Get the price, the price we want to get. Okay, so we will give get first price here, and now we will make this function here. Okay, now this function we will add here. And now we will also mark it as here create function and get product price. Okay, see create function get product price in products controller. Okay, product controller where we will get the product attribute price by product ID and its size. Okay, and we will return its price. We'll return the price in this function. So we simply do request like this. Fine. And here we are going to get data request all like this. First we will see that whether it's coming fine or not. So we simply use like this. uh, data, right. Okay, now we are going to check that coming fine, then we will do next step. So first we will check that price is coming with in alert or not. See, I'm going to check medium. See, coming 7 medium is coming. But we need to get yeah, large. Yeah, fine. It is coming here. It is coming here. Fine. See, fine. Yeah, it is coming here. Data is coming here. So we can get the price with this data. We are having this data, correct data, like ID size is so small, like small if we're selecting, we are having this thing going in function 7 hyphen small, and with these two attributes with the 7 product ID and with small size we can get the price and can display here and can change here we can. Okay, in the similar way we can get the price of uh, medium size as well, and as well as for large size. Okay, so we will continue with this one. Now we will use explore to explore this data. Okay, so I will do the array, array like this, and I will use explode to explode with hyphen because we are using hyphen, and here I can get the ID size that we are getting here like this. Okay, now this one we are getting. Now after this we will first check that the two elements we are getting correctly or not. We will first check array 0 in 0, and in 0 we must get product ID, and in pro array 1 we must get its size. Okay, then we will continue again. First we will see that our data is exploding correctly or not. See, now in case of small, the result must be 7 and then small will come. 7 and then small comes fine. So medium, 7 medium has come, and large, 7 large has come. So it is fine. We have eliminator minus sign, hyphen sign, and now the both is coming. One is coming in 0 and one is coming in 1. So we can write the now query here. Now we can do the pro attribute, and we'll write like this, and we can now fetch the price with this query. Where product ID first, ID we are getting in first one. In this one we are getting ID, so we will here mention this one. Okay, so in size we are getting from this one. Okay, so I will add simply this one. Yeah, and I will use now first. Okay, because we just want to retrieve just one value, so we will use first, and this one is not required. Now I'm going to remove this one. Yeah, now first, now I will just echo dollar pro attribute price. Now we will check the price is coming correctly or not. Okay, now first I will check small. Small is having 2200 price, that is fine. Now I will check medium. Medium is having 2400 price, that is also fine. Okay, now I will select large, and large is having 2600 price, and that is also correct. So all the prices are coming fine. Now, now the only thing that we need to do, we need to replace this one with these prices. Okay, so this is the only step left, and we will update our detail blade file for this thing. Okay, update detail blade file once again. So what we can do, and we will also update here as well. So in of that response we are getting, we are going to add this in one ID, and that ID we will mark here in price. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, here. See, I'm going to add one ID here. Span ID equal to, I can use like get price. In this price we are going to change. So uh, add uh, add ID, no, to product product price in span. Okay. So we will just simply add the, it will look like below. Okay, after adding it will look like below. We will add ID like this, uh, so that we can change the value of its price from this ID. Okay, this ID we are going to uh, change the value here, this ID, and we will simply, it is very simple, we will do it in Jquery. We will get price here, and we are going to do is HTML, and first INR will come as we are using INR. So plus response means the price that we are getting. Okay, we are going to display like this, simple. And now we will see the price is changing or not. I'm going to refresh it and we'll see. I'm going to select medium. See, it's changing. Medium price is now 2400. It is showing correct price, and I've selected large. It's 2600. I'm selected small. It's 2200. See, in case of select size, it is giving error because there is no size here available for empty, because the value is empty. So we just simply need to update here. See, if the value is coming as empty, then we will not to move forward. So we will simply use like this. If ID size is equal to empty, then we just simply return false. Yes, so that it will not show any error. It will not go forward with Ajax. Okay, so see, medium, everything is looking fine. If we will select size, nothing will happen. Okay, see, select size, it will not give any error now. And if we will select any other attribute, any other size, then it will show correct result. Okay, now you have seen in the video, and now uh, see in video, we are getting correct price by changing size. Okay, and we will use that size, means whatever the user will select, and that price will be selected, and in the future videos we are going to use that price only, that because someone is going to select means that size and price only. Okay, so that's all in this video, and in next video we will continue with other things in product detail page. So stay tuned for the next video. Still, there are many things to do. This part also we will see what to do, and also we need to give error message if the product is disabled. That thing also we will do, like we have done earlier in listing page. So still there are many things to do, and we will do one by one. We will update everything. So stay tuned for the next video, and really happy to see that you guys are commenting me if you find any issue, and don't hesitate, you can comment me again, and I will always try my best to answer each each one of your query. Okay, that's all for now. In the next video, we will do more in detail page of product in our e-commerce website product detail page. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.